the Director of Manufacturing Systems for Bayer Healthcare in the Diabetes Care Division. The services we've used from Juran have been DMAIC, Six Sigma, and DFSS.
I'm with the Masco Builder Cabinet Group, which are the Merrilat and Quality brands and part of Masco Corporation, a Fortune 500 company. We did a lot of work in the transactional area, accounting, customer care, procurement.
We're a global leader in the production of solar glass, and we are taking that operation and we've had significant improvement.
Working with Juran, we've used the value stream management. We've got 7 value streams that are currently active at this point.
We had concentrated on 2 product lines that were having significant difficulties around yield and utilization. One line only had about 86% yield, and the other one had about 72.
We've been able to take the process and increase our throughput by over 50%, utilizing the same amount of people. So we've reduced our costs, improved our overall output. We had a significant need in that factory because of the global demand, and we were able to achieve that here in the last couple of months by using this without adding any people to the process.
We had long believed that the measurement systems we had in place were in fact making some measurements that were appropriate to selection of the product. We found as we began to apply the methodologies that the vision systems weren't as we expected, and we were rejecting a fairly high amount of product. We were able to get some quick gains to the tune of more than $1 million in that first project. We had been in a situation where we were sampling product based on a fixed percentage of the product we manufactured. So we began to look at some of these losses associated in that product line and found that we had simply just oversampled. We were able to recover almost $300,000 within the first month of changing simply a standard operating procedure.
Quite a few IT design for Six Sigma projects, all geared towards the ease of doing business. So can we have better interfaces with our customers?
They've been able to help us achieve throughputs that the plants that initially thought were impossible, which now are saying, well, that was easier than I thought.
And our Tennessee location went from about 51.9 tons per day on a very, very critical product line that we needed growth in, to about 89 tons per day, and which is a delta of about $200,000 per month. But most importantly, it improved our capacity tremendously.
The positive impacts Juran has made on our organization have really been focused on the area of a structured problem-solving methodology. We found that we've completed more improvement projects, we've gotten better results than we had in the past, and we're getting much more efficient at doing them.
One of the untapped, unanticipated benefits we had from this program, primarily from Juran, was be able to essentially begin to change the culture. We had, like many engineering cultures, we always felt we knew the answer, so we defined a problem and jumped to the solution. Without having a more robust methodology to make sure that you did in fact examine all the root causes and came out with a solution that was in fact fixing the problem and not just addressing a symptom. So we've seen that cultural change throughout the organization.
Within our industry, we're in the home building products industry, we're seeing quite a bit of consolidation among the large home builders. They're becoming more demanding, not only in things such as pricing and cost, but also the services they expect. So for us, it's not only about reducing our costs to providing a competitive product, but also to improving our services. One thing we hear quite often is the ease of doing business, and we found that the Six Sigma methodology, along with Juran's approach, has helped us to attack that in a way we were unable to do so with any other methodology, any other tool.
Juran has done a great job. They get in, they roll their sleeves up, and from a manufacturing side, I think they're number one.